Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix PS4 or PS5 controller is not working on Fortnite on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam client and then you need to go to press on the add a game on the bottom left. Then select add a non-Steam game. And then here you need to on search write Epic Games Launcher. Select that and add selected programs. Next, what you need to do here is to plug in your controller if you haven't already, or connect it with the Bluetooth. And then you need to go on Steam, that is on the top left, go to settings. And then once you are on the settings, make sure that your controller is detected here. You can begin test. And you can see that your controller is working by pressing buttons, right? Then what you need to do here is to make sure guide button focus system is enabled, PlayStation controller support is enabled as well, or enabled in games without support, it really doesn't matter. And then also make sure that idle gamepad shutdown timeout is on never, because on default I believe it's 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes your controller will shut down. So make sure it's on never. And then what you need to do here next is to go on library, on Steam library, then locate Epic Games Launcher, hit play, and then Epic Game Launcher will open up on your computer. And then you need to go to library and play Fortnite, and your controller should be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.